Mitchell's log, May 4th, 2021. Today, riding solo, so I gotta figure out a way to use mind power over manpower. In the old reliable Ford right here, have a 1/2 inch plate, 4x8 sheet. And if you trust the numbers, that's about 653 pounds. And I went to the gym this morning, so I'm pretty worn out. So I don't think I can lift it. But I think I have a way to use physics to my advantage. Never took physics in high school. Watched a few movies. Watched the Avengers a couple times. I think I got it down. There's only a few things I gotta do. It's gonna be pretty simple. I'm gonna line it up. First off, it's in the bed here, laying flat down on the ground. So that's a lot of weight to come across the tailgate. I'm gonna take the tailgate off. And that plate is actually gonna be a tabletop for our table here. So I'm gonna take the tailgate off, slide this up as close as I can get it, and we got a little bit of an overhang here. So that would be ramming right into the roll pan here on this truck. So what I'm actually gonna do is use the force, like May 4th be with you, it's May 4th, and pull it into it, pull the table into the truck while taking the plate out. So that's the idea. I'm gonna put a piece of 2x2 in here, put it up against here. This table right here is 3-inch angle iron, running across their main support with an I-beam. Then we got 4 outer skirts, 2x2, I think 3/16 thick. So it's a bottom half of a gantry crane that a gantry crane would come in real handy right now actually. So maybe we cut that apart too quick. But anyways, we're making it into a welding table. So, you know, what's done is done, and now we're just moving forward. I'm gonna get going here. The whole idea with the welding table, a thick, solid, smooth surface. So you want everything to be smooth and level. So I'm gonna take the tailgate off, then I'm gonna surface prep, give a little grind across this real quick just to make sure everything's smooth here. I already went through and when I welded these on, I grinded these smooth up top. So we'll probably put a little time lapse together here so you don't watch me struggle in slow motion. You can get a quick laugh out of it instead. So I'm gonna get to work. Maybe some neat, you know, royalty-free playover music will happen. But we'll get started. Give the old finger fine measurements here. Seems very symmetrical. Got a little angle showing here. Pop this out. Give the old finger measurement. All right. There she is. One old fat dog. One big old table for Fab 402. Welding projects for you guys. Gotta come on here. We built this table pretty much with the idea, bike frames, axle components, anything really big. Need a lot of clamping down, precise measuring. That's the whole idea behind this. Maybe you took something from this. Maybe you just wanted to watch me struggle with something. I know a lot of people find that amusing, you know. I like to laugh at other people's, you know, downfalls and stuff too. I mean, not out loud or in public or anything, but you know, makes yourself feel good about some things. And hit us up if you have anything, primarily metal related. We do that stuff. All right. Okay, cool. May the force be with you.
Well, Mitch left and now I'm here. I see he got the tabletop put on. I just ended up moving it around to where everything's even with a 10-pound sledge because this thing is super heavy. I'm just gonna add a little bit to his, maybe give you guys a time lapse of me. I'm gonna weld it on and I'm gonna grind the top and just get it completely usable. So here we go. Sorry you guys aren't gonna actually see me weld it together. The GoPro was accidentally set to time-lapse photos instead of video. And to everyone thinking that I'm wearing shorts and welding, I know, I just came straight from work. It's not smart, but I got it done and I'm all right. Here's me grinding the table.